Reach out and find your happily ever after.
Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Yeah. And today is Matthew's 11th birthday. So we've got his favourite rides again. Every day I say that. Every day he's got favourite rides. So can you spot anything strange? Or is it just a tree? Or is it just a tree? It's a moving, alive tree. The tree of life at Disney's Animal Kingdom. So for Matthew's birthday meal, we're going to the Yak and Yeti restaurant. We've never been before, but when we looked at the menu, it does chicken tikka masala, which is Matthew's favourite. It smells amazing. So Matthew's studying the menu. I love the menu, but I can't stop looking at that. Matthew, have you decided which one you want? Is that the one you want? Is that because it's got peas? Do you like peas? We'll see if they've got any of that one left. Matthew's looking forward to his chicken tikka masala with green peas. Unbelievable mixture. Bella's looking forward to sweet and sour chicken with no onions, and Mummy is having chicken tikka masala with no green peas, and I'm having red steak. Lovely. That's mine.
As well.
Cheers, thank you. Matthew is hungry on his birthday dinner. So we've had our meal at Yak and Yeti, which was excellent. Matthew ate all these chicken tikka masala up. We're now off to get a pass for Pandora and flight of passage, which is just down here. I think it's a 2-hour wait, so we're going to get one of Matthew's disability passes. Then we've got some time with the characters at the adventure post, Expedition Everest, and then a fast pass for Cali River Rapids. That's Matthew being good. Let's be catching me naughty. Yeah, let's come. So we're in Pandora Land, and this is all just amazing. This may sound a bit crazy, but it reminds me of Harry Potter because it looks amazing, but I've genuinely no idea what anything is. But it just looks amazing. I'm going to show you a trick now. A little secret. If I zoom in to up there, you can see all the waterfalls, all the way from here, all the way to the top. But watch this. So the waterfalls all the way. Keep watching. Apart from that top one there, which is just a wheel. That one there is just a wheel. That is not water. It's a flight of passage 208. It's a long time.
I don't think he'll let go. He'll stop there all day. Minifields left out. You're fine. Right, it's alright, yours. Matthew! Matthew, look up. Good boy. Good boy. Say cheese.
Oh, look at you. Matthew! Good job! Good job!
Go on, Lauren. He's never done that before. He's never stood on his own.
You did such a good job.
And his name's Matthew. Matthew! Matthew! Look at me, sweetheart. Look up at me. Can you say cheese?
So we've just seen Mickey and Minnie Mouse, haven't we, Laura?
Yeah.
And Matthew was good as gold. We'll put some pictures in around here somewhere. But Matthew actually looked at the camera and smiled to a point. So that was really good. Then he held on to Mickey Mouse like he was never ever going to let go. So we're moving on to It's Tough to Be a Bug. We've got a fast pass for what we got, Expedition Everest, and that's in about 15-20 minutes time. It's Tough to Be a Bug's about 15 minutes queue, so we'll do this, then we'll go to Expedition Everest, and then we've still got River Rapids and Flights of Passage, as Trace just reminds us. I forget all the names, there's too many names. So this is a nice scenic walk through the Tree of Life, and somewhere there's always a pair of ears. Rides like It's Tough to Be a Bug are really good, even if it's only just to get you out to the sunshine for a few minutes, because it's August, it's really hot, all the inside rides are lovely and air conditioned, and all the shows. to get yourself inside one of these. It gives you 15-20 minutes out of the direct heat, which is always very nice. And now we're going into the Tree of Life. Tell me when you can spot the elephant. Have you seen it? What's that? That's some kind of animal. That's a scary one. The more you walk through rides like this, the more you see, like that there. I think the monkeys just found out there are no fast passes left for Expedition Everest. Well, he's not having mine. That's me, and that's Matthew. There's no trace at all on. Lauren, it's bad news. What's the bad news? There's no track. There's no track. I don't like this bit. I don't like this bit at all. Ah! Oh, I don't like that. Oh. It's him I don't like. We decided it might be his birthday, but it's about time he started pulling his weight with this bag. So now he's the bag carrier.
Thank you all so much for coming out here and listening to me ramble, rolling in some of my jokes and laughing at my despair. Anyway, I'm about to have to head back to base here, but before I go,
just go off Flights of Passage again for the second time this holiday. There are no words to say how brilliant that ride is. If you get over to Florida, you must come and ride it. Flights of Passage done. Last fast pass of the day is Cali River Rapids, and we're going to get wet. I bet we're going to get wet, and Matthew loves it. It's very warm, and I'm ready for the pool, but not yet. Animal Kingdom. We've been on all the fast passes. We ate at Yak and Yeti. We've done all the fast passes. We've been on Flight of Passage. There's loads of other stuff as well. But now, and only now, there's only one thing for it. What is it, Lauren?
Time to go to the pool.
Time for the Villa Pool. We'll see you back there.